Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro today for 2021 Hyundai Kona, stock number 6666. This ran from 11th 2020 to the 7th 2023. It has a G4 FP 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4 FP 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,